Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing my daily cleaning routine. This will be a speed clean throughout the entire house. And in order to keep it very real, I am going to show you my very real mess before I start cleaning. I am also doing this video in collaboration with Katie Satilli. I will have all of her video information in my description box below. We have similar content, and she is also a ministry wife, and I absolutely adore her personality, and she's so much fun. You guys are going to love her, and if you are coming from Katie's channel, welcome. My name is Lynn, and I am a mama of 5, and like I had mentioned, we do similar content on here, and I post weekly cleaning motivation as well as all things motherhood, just trying to motivate you and inspire you throughout your day. So it would be such a blessing if you guys would consider subscribing to my little YouTube family before you go. I am going to start this cleaning by cleaning in my bedroom. This is what I usually do. I like to make my bed first thing in the morning, and I do not have my normal comforter on here today because honestly Ruby is in heat and she will wear a diaper, but if it falls off, that's all I'm going to say. And I don't want her messing up my bed. I'm going to start separating the giant mound of clothes. My kids were sick, and so all of the hampers are out in the front room because I have been doing laundry like a crazy person. Now on to my bathroom. I'm going to pick up the rest of the clothes that I need to put in the correct hamper, and I'm going to start picking up anything that has been left behind. As I've mentioned before, this is a daily cleaning, so this isn't a deep clean. I'm not going to get out all of the fancy products. I'm just going to clean off the countertops and make it look tidy. If you do these every single day, you won't find yourself having to take so much time to do a deep down clean. Same thing goes for the toilet. I don't need to put a whole bunch of cleaner in here. I actually did one of the deepest cleans I have done in a really long time on Saturday because my kids had the stomach virus. So everything was pretty good. I am just going in here and cleaning it with a Lysol wipe. If you guys love cleaning motivation like this one, and you also love when moms keep it completely real, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I like to take the towels and let them dry on this rack here. This is actually a blanket rack, but we use it for our towels and it helps them stay fresh longer. And I like to just fold them up because it makes it look more tidy over here. To save time, I'm using the same washcloth I used on my countertops on the kids' bathroom as well. I also found some toothpaste on the wall, so I'm going to get that up as well. If you have young kids, especially boys, you know that the toothpaste goes everywhere. I'm going to start on my boys' room now. The first thing I like to do is turn on the lights, obviously, and open the curtains and blinds. I like it really bright in here, and they've got some really good sunlight during the day. I will help the boys keep this room clean, and I always clean it every night if it gets messy. I just feel like they sleep better in a clean room. I do not help the other boys, the older boys, keep their room up. I will do it maybe once a month and go through and clean everything out, but generally it is their responsibility. But this is the room for the little boys, so I don't mind helping. I have another little one sick today. The stomach virus ran through our house, so he woke up with an upset stomach, and just to be safe, we went ahead and left him here at home with us. We don't like to spread germs, so that's the best thing to do. And I'm just going to start picking up everything off the bar and the living room floor and just start tidying everything. But in the meantime, I got a package, a surprise package in the mail, and it was so sweet, you guys. You see, I'm going to show it to you. I got a mermaid mug, and you can see I started to cry. The little things mean so much to me. My bestie, Love Meg, as you guys would know her, sent me the sweetest mermaid mug because she knows how much I love them, and it just made my day. Here we go again. So after I wipe away my tears, I just, with such a full heart, start to unload my dishwasher. That's real life for you, isn't it? Gotta keep moving on. When I unload the dishwasher, I will usually put everything on the countertops. I find that easiest, and then I will just start putting it away from there. I'm going to start cleaning the kitchen now, just getting rid of any of the stuff that is on the countertops and start filling up the dishwasher. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder right too. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change. I'm gonna pour the eggshells down the garbage disposal. Let me know in the comments below, is that okay to do? My husband says it's good for the garbage disposal, so I do it, but I'm kind of skeptical. Let me know. I'm going to use some regular dish soap here, and nothing fancy, but this is a good way to end up cleaning the kitchen. I like to scrub out my sink a little bit. I feel like when my sink is really clean, the kitchen feels so much better. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 I am going to put this drying rack here. It is a silicone rack I got from Amazon. I will have it in my Amazon favorites in my description box. I'm so obsessed with it, you guys. And when I'm done, I can roll it up and it doesn't take up any space. It is stop I'm now going to take this hamper, which is empty finally, and put it in my bathroom with other things that go in there. I'm also going to put the boys' towels and blankets away. As I mentioned to you guys, I am going to be putting lots of things away in this video, and that is what I'm doing. After I have cleaned the entire house, I am putting away some things that kind of got left behind, and that is usually, most certainly, in the playroom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go over and say hello to Katie and let her know that Lynn sent you. And if you're new, I would love it if you would consider subscribing before you go and join my little YouTube family. It would mean so much to me. I will be posting weekly cleaning motivation as well as other motivational videos every single week. Thank you all so much. I love you all, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.